Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Barron County in northwestern Wisconsin, southern Rusk County in northwestern Wisconsin, Chippewa County, Dunn County, Eau Claire County, northeastern Pepin County, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:58 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located from near Prairie Farm through Elk Mound through Fall Creek, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eau Claire, Menominee, Rice Lake, Chippewa Falls, Altoona, Lake Holly, Stanley, Bloomer, Barron, Lake Wissota, Chautauqua, Cameron, Augusta, Cornell, Cadott, Fall Creek, Colfax, Elk Mound, Bruce, and Boyd. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for portions of northwest and west central Wisconsin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Barron, Chippewa, Dunn, Eau Claire, Pepin, and Rusk.